And you're cutting. So put that pinky in. Put that pinky in. Yes. And we're cutting. And you're feeding yourself. So with the European style, so hold your make sure your index finger is and the handle in the palm, in your palm. Yes, good. So go ahead and get some more mashed potato, please. Scoop onto the back of it. Rest the right wrist and pivot. That's a bit much, yeah. That's too much. So you want to put less than that?
No.
That's so funny.
Okay, so the meat.
Okay, so you're putting some stuffing. Okay, go ahead, Mr. Schultz. Beautiful. I love it. Yes, Miss Antoinette. Great.